So we're gonna make a stand or a holder. Yeah, that's what yeah, that sounds about right. We're gonna make a holder. However, the first thing we have to do is get ourselves some materials. It needs to be strong enough to hold a large amount of weight. What is this? Oh, that's gonna be the pegs. All right, so we've got our first bit of wood. All right, so we do have this. This is some white pine. Whoa, mama. Why am I still holding onto the saw? It's a terrible idea. That's gonna be a leg, or stand, or whatever. I'm forgetting something. The saw. I am a genius. I'm an absolute genius. They're not important. I prefer something more solid. Let's go find something more solid. Come on, Daisy. Is this what we were at? That is significantly more solid. Let us examine. I need a new saw. That was the train. Actually, what am I? I'm an idiot. Just have to make a relief cut, and then bam, 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 blam. Whoa, Black Betty. Leverage. Put that in there. And then come on. Broken the wrong spot. There it goes. All right. Here's our other bit. All right. I know you all want to see the thing that you've all seen in every one of my, basically all of my videos, or my recent ones. This is my shed, shack, whatever you want to call it. It's not beautiful. My firewood storage. Got some spiders in there. It's not great. Crappy door. Doesn't really work. You kind of have to pick it up and then move it. And then it's hard. It's the inside. Got a horseshoe. Got some cool bones that I found in the woods and some range of paracord. Got another bone. Yeah, I hand hewed all of these logs and hand cut them with this saw. No wonder it's a great saw. And I made this stone wall right here. All that. I had to walk all the way down to the river or creek and do that. Now I've got a fire pit, got a spring that I found. I collect stuff. That's what I do. The idea of the stone wall was just to keep it from rotting. Anyway, I need to go get my settler's tool. I'll be right back. All right, I'm on the way back. Got the tool. So, good to go. Build the first half, essentially. I think where we're gonna put all this as well is gonna be, probably put it up here, right in this area. It's kind of nice and open and clear. I've just pulled a gigantic stupid and misplaced my settler's tool and lost a pin for mounting the GoPro. I'm an idiot. I'm an absolute buffoon. Wait, found a saw. Found a hatchet. But I knew that was there. Such an idiot. Oh yeah, you just go find it later, you just put it on the ground. Where the hell would I put it? This is actually upsetting. I paid $40 for that tool, and I just tossed it on the ground, walked away from it, have no recollection of doing so whatsoever, and now I don't know where it is. I could go get the metal detector. Yep, we're gonna go get the metal detector. I'll be back. Again. You see that? I went and got my metal detector. Never even turned the freaking thing on. Saddler's tool. Ah! I do still have to find the pin though. I found it. Here we are. Oh boy. Here it is. That's what I was looking for. Hallelujah. We found it.